welcome to Apex Residences. It's a pretty exciting day, September 21st, 2017. I'm Tony Tyler with Columbus Pacific. As you can see and hear all around me, there's a lot of activity happening around 1201, our model residence. I'm standing right now in the dining room, looking out at the spectacular view from Snyderville Basin immediately behind me all the way around to the White Barn. You get the top of Deer Valley. So pretty spectacular progress that we're seeing here. Roof trusses are going on, roof sheeting's going on. The flurry of activity is continuing. You got plumbing, HVAC, electrical, AV, smart home technology going in as we speak this week. So thanks, and we'll head up to the ski run immediately following this. Now we've stepped outside the model unit that's just up the plaza just a little bit above me. Immediately behind me you see a lot of additional excavation activity happening where they're cutting in the ski trail between the plaza level and the clubhouse level. Incidentally enough, we just got snow up on the ridges yesterday evening, so we're starting to get really excited about the 17-18 ski season coming. They're taking that additional material that they're pulling in behind me, they're trucking it up to the upper MSC wall, which is that large retaining wall back behind buildings 1, 2, 3, and 4, where we've started footings and foundations for building 1, footings and foundations for building 5. So we're super excited about the progress on site. We're looking forward to the next month, updating you with a lot of additional activity coming into the project. Thanks and have a great day.